Well, tonight, Susan Lorincz remains in the Marion County Jail charged with manslaughter for killing her neighbor, A.J. Owens.
Yeah, but she could get out at any time after a judge gave her a $155,000 bond. Fox 35's Connor Hansen has the latest tonight.
At any time now, if Susan Lorincz is able to post bond, she could walk right out of those gates. Then her defense begins. We asked the defense attorney what that could look like. 58-year-old Susan Lorincz back in court today. This time a judge granted her bond for her manslaughter charge. The victim's family lawyer would like something stronger.
She meant to pull that trigger. She meant to point it at the door, and that's why we feel that a murder 2 charge is applicable here.
Lorincz is accused of shooting through her front door and killing A.J. Owens. According to an arrest report, witnesses say Lorincz had been yelling at Owens' children, threw a roller skate at them, and swung an umbrella. Lorincz claims Owens came to her door and banged on it and said, "I'm going to kill you."
The woman was screaming and yelling, and she was trying to break down my door. I didn't know what to do. I grabbed my gun and I shot at the door.
You still just don't get to kill people, even if they're saying they're going to kill you. It's got to be reasonable. Your fear has to be reasonable, and it's got to be absolutely necessary to defend yourself with deadly force.
Defense attorney Mike Panella isn't on this case, but has worked on several involving self-defense. He says this case will all come down to whether Owens was simply knocking or even banging on the door, or if Lorincz could have reasonably believed Owens would break in. If Lorincz can prove that, it would be seen as self-defense.
It is all going to come down to whether she reasonably believed there was going to be a forceful and unlawful entry into her home.
Susan Lorincz has a $155,000 bond, meaning she would have to come up with $15,000 to get out. Today, she told a judge she could only come up with $1,700.